Oh wow, I got this new priority mailbox and it's from the PEZ Collecting Fans. And it's to Josh the PEZ guy. That's me. And that's you. And yeah, what's really going on, PEZ Collecting Fans? Josh the PEZ guy here with a box from you guys. Yes, the video is paid off. What are we making a video of? I don't know, but we'll see. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Oh, PEZ. Of course we're making a video on PEZ. Come on, chat in the game. Oh, now then. It's all wrapped up. Oh, there's Thanos. Thanos is here. How come he wasn't offered with body parts and a glove? Just saying. Could this be? Whoa, what just happened? Oh, luckily. Oh, wow, this bright light was in there. Thanos, did you cause the lights to go out? All right, luckily, the PEZ Collecting Fans have provided me with this light. I wonder if we can play with this light. Let's change this video up. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, let's see what happens when we turn it off. So this is one of those military grade flashlights with the LEDs. You can supercharge your glow-in-the-dark dispensers with these. That is really cool. Wait a minute. You're right, Stan. We have something else we can do. Let's see. I got a PEZ cup in my hand. I got a PEZ cup. It glows in the dark, man. I got the PEZ cup in my hand. I'm a PEZ guy, not a PEZ man. Wait a minute. No, I'm still. Anyway. Oh, wow. That is really cool. All right, let's see what happens if we stick it to just one. Whoa! That was a little too up close. But you can see how bright this light is. Let's see how it does just to this one particular area. Oh, yeah, you can see the big difference there. That is really cool. So, if you would like to supercharge your glow-in-the-dark items, that's how you do it. Amazing. Very cool. Well, thank you very much, PEZ Collecting Fans. And you too, Thanos. So until next time.